Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports at our new location, 1150 Concord Ave. And today we have our 2005 Honda CBR600RR. This middleweight supersport comes to us in excellent condition, just 11,600 miles. It's got a beautiful double bubble smoke windscreen, frame sliders, a fantastic sounding Yoshimura RS5 uptail exhaust, fender eliminator, Pirelli tires. It's priced to sell just $43.99. We have financing, we have extended service contracts. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful, clean, used bikes in stock. Starts just like a Honda. Woo! Make your super sport dreams come true. Contra Costa Powersports, thank you very much.